Let's step through making these lava lamp drip pens. I started with a few pens from a set that I grabbed from Amazon, and I took them apart. I'm going to be using a few different drip kits from Adhesive Apothecary, and the first thing I do with these is I add a little bit of this step 2 and then add this step 1 colorant to each pen. Then I go back in with step 2 to fill it up. I leave a little bit of a bubble, and that's what's going to help the liquid flow a little bit. So once I have the right size bubble, I go ahead and I put the plug in place. I put the pens back together, and once the pens are back together, I clean them off with some isopropyl alcohol, and I watch them drip.